are at Columbine Elementary School today, filming another AC and cooling progress update. We are here with our contractors, DLH Architecture and Bassett Associates. They are working hard to make sure that our AC and cooling upgrades are complete.
The schools did not have any cooling. It's all masonry and concrete, so it gets very, very hot. Our scope was to bring cooling into the school. So the ceilings in the school are really low, and there's no attic space to run any piping. The heat mitigation prior to this was just exhaust. Exhaust all the hot air at night, bring in cold air during the night, and help cool down the building. If the kids are sweating, they're not learning.
Just about done with piping up the last few connections, and then we're ready to roll, so it looks great.
We also want to say thank you, most importantly, to the Denver voters who agreed to pass this 2020 bond that provided servicing to 24 of our schools that were identified as in need of AC and cooling services.